Hello and welcome back to the IsoTek Academy. Today's topic is about IsoTek's M6 spike and spike shoe upgrade kit. Each rack with IsoTek product, for example the Aquarius, Sigmas, Titan and Nova, have M6 threaded holes under the chassis. It is therefore possible to replace the plastic production foot with a precision machine stainless steel spike and a spike shoe floor protector. This is the standard production plastic foot, and whilst this works perfectly well as a standard foot, upgrading to a precision machine spike and spike shoe floor protection will improve performance and help draining unwanted resonance from the power cleaner's chassis. Installation of the IsoTek M6 spike and spike shoe upgrade kit is easy. Just turn over your IsoTek product and using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the existing plastic production feet. Once all 4 plastic production feet are removed, you can then locate the M6 threaded holes on the underside of the chassis and simply screw the spikes into place. Take your IsoTek product, turn the right side up and first locate one spike into the spike shoe. There is a spike point locator to help you with this procedure. Once the first spike is securely located, position the second one in the same way. When the first 2 back spikes are fixed into the spike shoes, carefully slide your IsoTek unit back into the shelf. With one hand hold your IsoTek component and with the second position the 2 remaining spike shoes under the front left and right spikes. Now slowly lower and locate the remaining 2. For any more information about IsoTek products, please visit our website. Address is to the left of me. If you like the video, please share it and hit the subscribe button to enjoy more IsoTek videos. Thank you for watching.